Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this was how the last part of the day went here. You can see the market took off in here. I was kind of expecting that. I did enter the last of the winning trades that I got into right here, and then added on right in here for that push up to the close. This was about 2 hours here of trading, so got that one right. Pretty good. And here's a tick chart to the left here of how things turned out, and just squeezed through there. That little box that you see there, that's 2 hours of trading. And you compare that, let me move this all the way over, compare that to how things went time-wise. And this is 2 hours, and actually from here on over is 2 hours. So there's actually double the action. Twice. That's about here and about there. It's about double, yeah. So the volume was about double the 2 hours here in the middle of the day, and actually it was even about triple that of the beginning of the day. You can see all of this action here from 6:30. I mean, this was all of about 2 hours worth in equivalent mode here. Take a look at that. Oops, didn't mean to grab that there. Just trying to grab that, pulling that over. There we go. Okay, well here you could see the start of the day was right around here. So this was 2.5 hours. All this was 2 hours, and that's 2 hours. So you can see the middle of the day was really slow. I did happen to take a trade there, in a couple trades actually. Just blow that up there. This was, I mean, it was okay. I tried to enter on this secondary trade signal in here, and it failed. Probably hung around for a tick longer than I should have, but that was fine. And let's see what else. That was a 3-tick loss. I did come in here a little late. Timing was off. I was kind of doing some other things, and that right there would have been a good entry, and or even right here. You can see the signal short right there. But anyway, that's okay. I tried to come in a little bit later here. Didn't really get a secondary trade signal in here to go short, but that's just the way that went. I closed that out at flat, and finally did wait for a good trade entry. Did get in right here. That was the move that took me into the end of the day. And you can see that right there. So added on one more contract right here. You can see that. And I did scale out just in case we were going to pull down into the close the last bit, but just kind of a precautionary measure. First in, first out. So first one came off from this last entry. Second one came off here. Third one came off here. And then the last one came off in the aftermarket. I did hold it over just to see if we'd get a pop up into that higher range. So looking for, well, 1195 on the low side, probably 1100 on the higher side. But anyway, so that's how that turned out. I can just go back. You can see those corresponding signals. There's actually some really good easy trade signals. There's long, there's short in there, there was long in there. Going back, this was the start of the day. Actually, there was some pretty good little moves, and even in the pre-market right there, long right here, short. Market didn't come back at all really against you. Right there, long just after the open. Right in here, short. Really clear. I mean, good timing on all of those. This area in here, it does come back a few ticks against you, but you can see the secondary trade in here works out pretty well for a move up. So you can see those nice turning points there, pretty clear. And actually in the bigger time frame, the next middle time frame up from this, it actually looks really clear as well with the other tools that I have to incorporate. You can really, it's crystal clear. Especially all the trades today, it's usually like that. But if you get choppy days, sometimes it's not quite as clear. But that's just the way trading goes. Thanks for tuning in.